Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to make a clan in World of Warships. First, what you have to do is log into your game or open your game. And once you're in your port screen, go to your profile on the top left corner here. Click on that. And then here you can see clans. Click on clans to go to the clan screen. And then once you're here, you can find the tab here that says create a clan. Or you could also click here to create a clan. Here is your tag, which shows up next to your name when you're in a battle. So let's try out. So you type in anything you want here. These are usually 2 to 5 characters. It includes digits, hyphens, and underscores. And here you can enter your clan name. Remember that you need to have 1,000 doubloons to create a clan. Once you have figured out your clan tag and your clan name, click on Create Clan, and it will immediately subtract 1,000 doubloons from your current doubloons, and then you will have a clan. And from here, you can join clan battles or even naval battles. And that's it. That is how you create a clan in World of Warships.